Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video we'll be taking a look at the Chrome Refresh 2023. Well, it's kind of into 2024, but regardless, that's what it's actually called. So if you're one of those people who've had a message on your screen, similar to the one we've got up there, and Chrome looks very different and you don't like it and you want it back to how it used to be, this video is going to show you how to do it. And it's very straightforward. All you need to do is to go into the Chrome flag section, which I'm about to show you, and you can toggle it either on or off, enabled or disabled. So if you decide actually you want to revert back, it's very simple and straightforward to do. So without further ado, let's get on and show you how it's done. So this is the annoyance which you may find yourself having, new things which have happened in Chrome, and it tells you other things. There's the September update, November, etc, etc. Basically, it just changes things a little bit, so a little bit more rounded edges, the font is different, the text layout is different. If you go into the hamburger menu or the dot menu, this looks very different. The lettering is all in bold rather than being normal. So anyway, we don't like that. So what you want to do is head over into this particular URL. So chrome:///flags. Now in here, there's lots of things you can do and potentially you can break your browser. So be careful in here. But what we want to look for is do a search at the top and just type in Chrome Refresh. So Chrome Refresh, and go down, that's the real box ones, don't want that. So we want this one here, Chrome Refresh 2023. So this one says enables the new desktop design, customized Chrome side panel, must be enabled, blah, 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 blah. Currently it's set to default, so that is basically on. So the options you've got are default, enabled, enabled without Omnibox, and disabled. So we're going to choose disabled, and when you do that, you're going to need to relaunch Chrome. So we'll go ahead and do that now. And you'll notice it's slightly different already. One of the main differences is going to be the hamburger menu here, which looks more normal. So if you're used to using this and you've got that kind of muscle memory and you want it to be like that, that's fine. Again, if you want to change it back, you can just go to enabled. It will ask you to relaunch again, and then it goes back to how it was and all the other changes are still there. This doesn't affect any of your security profiles or any of the other enhancements in Google Chrome to keep it a slightly more safe browser. It just changes the actual layout and the look that is invoked with the Chrome Refresh 2023. So there you go, that is how to enable or disable or basically change the settings so it looks a little bit more like what you possibly are used to. This also applies not only to PC, so if you're using this on another device such as a Macintosh, or maybe you're using it on a Chromebook, those types of things, then you can still make this change to make it look how it used to look, which you may prefer. Let me know what your thoughts are on this one in the comments section below. I think that's going to wrap this one up. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.